After the Deebot completes the first map, you can make more advanced settings within the app. Open the ECOVACS Home app. Tap the Map button in the bottom left corner to edit the map. Area naming. You can name each area and select the room type. You can also try splitting or merging areas in the map, editing interface, or setting furniture positions, floor materials, etc. You can also make adjustments to carpets, thresholds, and walls. The map helps the Deebot understand your home more clearly and also allows your commands to be executed more accurately. Setting up virtual boundaries can prevent the Deebot from going to certain areas where it might get stuck or where there are fragile items. You can choose to draw an impassable line or a no-entry rectangular zone to restrict the Deebot's range of activity. You can also go to the Settings page, enter Station Advanced Settings, and find Auto Heavy Duty Solution Dispense. In Heavy Soiled Area Settings, you can set some areas as heavy soiled, allowing the Deebot to intelligently use the heavy-duty cleaning solution when cleaning these areas for better cleaning results. After you've finished editing the map, you can begin setting up a cleaning task. By default, Deebot performs auto-cleaning for all areas. On the map, tap the rooms you want to clean, and the Deebot will clean them in the order you selected. Tap the Zone button on the map to add a custom area. Adjust the area to the appropriate size and position. Then tap the green checkmark. This area will automatically be added to the cleaning queue and will be cleaned in order after the task starts. You can also go to the bottom of the page or into the Settings interface and find Deebot Advanced Settings to view more feature settings. If you have medium to long pile carpets in your home, you can enable the Carpets First function. Before the initial mop wetting, the Deebot will first vacuum the carpets. At this time, the mop is in a washed and dry state, which can completely prevent it from staining the carpets. You can also set a Do Not Disturb period within Deebot Advanced Settings. The Deebot will avoid starting a task during this time. There are more features waiting for you to discover in the app. On the Deebot homepage, tap the Agent Eco conversation interface and tap Tips for use, maintenance tips, etc. At the top to learn more Deebot usage tips. Agent Eco can not only answer your questions but also directly guide you to the corresponding feature access points. Feel free to ask questions at any time. Thank you for watching. In the app settings, tap Help to view more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, the world's largest home service robotics company,